Guys, we often have chandeliers or decorative light fixtures in our home which usually accept E14 or E27 bulb. Yes, these threaded bulbs, and the threaded bulbs are really hard to find. They may be very expensive or they may not be available in your favorite design. So guys, I found a very simple solution to this problem. I brought these adapters online. The buying link for these particular adapters as well as their different varieties are available in the video description or in the first comment. Now this particular Indian socket is known as B22. So the most common household socket that we get, or the holder we get, is B22 design, and over here the threaded part, this thing is known as E27. There is also a thinner variety which is known as E14. I'll provide all the links for variety of models so you can choose whichever is fit for you. Installing this thing is pretty straightforward. You just take your B22 LED bulb. So this is a very special 3-in-1 color changing Philips LED bulb. The review is available over here in the I button or in the description. And of course, these things are not available in E27 design easily in India. So this is the E27 design. And what we'll do is simply install it like this. So the locks are done. And now we have an E27 compatible 3-in-1 LED bulb. Let me install another one, and here we go. And now both of these are ready to light up our hall and make it beautiful using the LED chandeliers. Guys, I keep talking about LED bulbs on this particular channel. So if you want to learn more about lights or LED bulbs in general, then a bunch of video thumbnails will pop up on your screen like this. You can click on any of those thumbnails and jump on those videos and learn something new today. That's it for this neat little video, guys. Take care and have a nice day.